If you always have a dream of seeing dead people or chatting with them or seeing yourself in an old yard which you have lived before or an old completed building or in a school which you have left, this message is for you. Make sure you watch this video to the end. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also share it. For those of you who are joining us for the very first time, my name is Brother Chima and I am a spiritualist. And on this channel is all about spirituality. I share spiritual tips, spiritual recipes, spiritual remedies, spiritual messages. Messages that will draw you closer to God. Messages that will help you to solve your spiritual problems. Messages that will help you to defeat your enemies using the power of God Almighty, the power of the universe, and the power of my father's deities and ancestors in manifesting our spiritual tips on here. If this is your first time of coming in contact with this face or joining us, please consider subscribing to the red button down below this video on your right hand side. Turn the notification bell to all so that whenever I post a video like this, you'll get notified. Give this video a like and also share it. And for those of you who are my bona fide subscribers, my day one gang, my returning viewers, you know who you are. Those of you who has been supporting me in money and in kind, patronizing me, buying my spiritual materials, may God continue to bless you. Are you watching me on here and you have been dreaming of seeing dead people? People who has been dead for a very long time, dreaming about seeing your ancestors, seeing your cousin brothers that has been dead. And inside your dream, you always chat with them, you cook for them, you discuss with them. Or you are the type that anytime you dream, you see yourself in an uncompleted building or in an old yard where you have packed out from. And this thing has been causing chaos, catastrophe, delay, blockages, rising and falling, failure. This message is for you. Give this video a like and also share it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You the type that has been seeing dead people, seeing your ancestors. I am not saying seeing your ancestors in the dream is always bad. Like me, my father is late, my mother is late. Anytime I see them in my dream, I know that they come to message me. Or in other way, someone somewhere is reviving them to come and attack you. It works in 2 ways or in 3 ways. Either your late parents come in your dream to message you or to show you things or to make you see things that is about to happen to you. Or in the other way around, someone somewhere has been reviving their spirit in order for them to harm you. Yes, this is the how will I say it, the 2 explanation I can explain on this. But if you normally see dead people, you are a person, you are seeing dead people always when you dream, or you are a person here watching me on here, you always see yourself in an old building, in an old yard that you have lived before, or you see yourself in a classroom. You have passed out from school for a very long time, but you see yourself in a classroom, primary or secondary school. This kind of dream brings set backwardness. This kind of dream brings blockages. This kind of dream brings affliction of the devil. You need to do something very fast. If you always get this kind of dreams, I want to give you the solution. This is a secret, an ancient secret that nobody is talking about. But I am Brother Chima and I am a spiritualist. And this thing I'm doing on here is not something that I learned. It came from the lineage. I inherited this from my father. Yes, I am a native spiritualist or a native doctor, anyone you call me. So if you are here watching me and you are the type, this thing I'm hitting on here, you have been experiencing it and you have been looking for a solution in order to solve those problems, in order to return evil back to sender. Either somebody is calling the dead people to harm you, somebody is calling the dead people to close your way, to block your way. I have come with a solution to it. You will just be needing 3 materials, 3 spiritual materials. Number 1 material you'll be needing is your native egg or organic egg. For those of you who are not in Africa, You can get organic egg or native egg. Any egg is okay for this recipe. You have to get one egg. Another item you will be needing is 50 naira. 50 naira, 20 naira, 10 naira, 5 naira. You need a lower denomination in order to do this. Another item you will be needing is an old plate that you have used to feed yourself. Old plate that is in your house. Then before I go on, because this recipe is very powerful, you are going to use it to return every evil that the enemies are thinking, that is making them to call dead people to be fighting you or to be hindering you. You are going to return it back to sender. And that old completed building you are seeing yourself or in classroom, that is set backwardness. That is blockages. That is stagnation. That is rising and falling. After this recipe, you will learn how to deal with those your bad dream. But before I go on, I would like to introduce my product on here because it is called Walk and Chop. On this channel, we have our product, our spiritually materials that are locally made and spiritually charged by my own hands. A lot of people has been buying it. It has been from one testimony to the other. And for those of you who are just joining us for the very first time, please like this video and share it. My name is Brother Chima and I am a spiritualist. On this channel, we have our spiritual materials that are locally made and spiritually charged. We have the course breaking soap. We have the road opening soap. We have the hand me not soap. We have the back to sender soap. We have the anti-witchcraft soap. We have the mercy and favor soap. We have the love and attraction soap. We have the stop evil soap. We also have the stop evil oil. We have the 99 demon manipulation stop evil oil. We have protectional bracelets, attractional bracelets. We have cleansing bad detours. We also have the Equal Plus detours, the anti-witchcraft poison dissolver. Are you suffering from moving objects? Is there anything walking inside your body, crawling all over your body? And you have been going to the doctors for them to diagnose if it is infection, but they are seeing nothing and you are dying slowly. I have the antidote to your problem. It is called Equal Plus detours, the moving object remover, the anti-witchcraft poison dissolver. Have you eaten something in the dream? Is it a manipulation? Are you having rashes or itches all over your body? Brother Chima is here to help you out. All you need to do is to call my number +2347088136610 +2347088136610. That is my number. And if you need me to do anything for you spiritually, don't hesitate to chat me on WhatsApp. God bless you. Without wasting your time, you are the type that always dream about dead people. You see your dead parents. You see your dead uncles. You see dead people. You are in the midst of dead people. You always dream about this dream. Yes, you see yourself in an uncompleted building. You find yourself in school that you have left for more than 30 years. That is set backwardness and delay and blockages. And if you see dead people, that means you have to do something. You have to do this ritual. You have to do this assignment with all your heart. As soon as you wake up from that dream, my brother, go and look for one native egg or one organic egg. Look for a little currency, 50 naira, 20 naira. This is not a big deal. Maybe you will say, I don't have money that I will use to do the assignment, I will use to solve my problem. 50 naira will solve your problem. 20 naira will solve your problem. 10 naira will solve your problem. Even 5 naira will solve your problem. And one native egg. Look at what you are going to do. You are going to hold this like this. And you are going to use it for cleansing. As you are cleansing yourself, you are praying against every spirit of death. Against every spirit of set backwardness, rising and falling, delay, disappointment. From your paternal side, from your maternal side, any man or woman resurrecting dead people on your behalf, for them to be extracting your blessing, for them also to be attacking you, attacking your finances, your business. You are using this as a point of contact for cleansing. And this money here, you use it to pay any deity that they have paid in order for that deity to fight against you. That you are using this money to replace the payment that they have paid. Use this to rub all over your body. Wave it on your head 7 times. Look for a plate like this and put it inside. Then take it out to the junction. Y junction, T junction, or on the main road. And keep this. Say, owners of evil load, carry your load. Then turn back and never you look back until you get to your house. You have solved that problem. You will never see dead people appearing in your dream. You will never see yourself in an uncompleted building. Go and give this a trial and come back with your testimony. Give this video a like and also share it. Also, subscribe to my channel and comment on the comment section. May God bless you. See you in my next video. Bye for now.